Well, good Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm Sean Hammond here in the Laker Country Weather Center. Hope your Tuesday is getting off to a good start. Let's talk about the weather a little bit for today. Right now, there's a look at the current radar. As of 4:40 this morning, you can see nothing going on across the Commonwealth at this time. We are keeping a watch out for the potential for strong to severe storms coming up tomorrow, so let's get right into that right now. Here is the severe weather outlook for today. And we are expecting a pretty significant severe weather outbreak to our west in parts of Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, down through Arkansas, Texas, and parts of Louisiana. Very small portion of Kentucky is in a marginal and slight risk for this afternoon. I think us here in the Lake Cumberland area, we will steer clear from the severe weather today. However, tomorrow things are going to change a little bit. And you can see here, this is different from yesterday. The Storm Prediction Center now has much of Kentucky, with the exception of eastern Kentucky, in a level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather coming up for the day on Wednesday. Now, we'll get into the future radar here in just a moment, but, we weren't expecting this system to do much in our part of the world, but it's beginning to slow down, and temperature is going to warm up vastly today and tomorrow. We're going to be in the 80s today and tomorrow. And with that system slowing down, it will throw us some chances of severe weather coming up tomorrow. Looks like the main threat will be damaging winds. But of course, you can never say the tornado threat is an absolute zero. And speaking of the threats, let's jump into those real quick. Here is the tornado risk for tomorrow. You can see in that brown shaded area, that is a 5% risk of seeing a tornado. And surrounding that's a 2%. It looks like the best tornado threat's going to be up to our north and parts of Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and a little portion of Ohio. Here's the wind probability, and look at that, 30%. 30% wind threat. And as a matter of fact, could have some significant damaging winds, 70 mile an hour plus for tomorrow. There's the hail probability. You could see that's mostly off to our west and north. All right, let's jump into the future radar. We'll talk about what's going to happen real quick. Let me take this back to today. So we'll pull that back here real quick. That's at 6 o'clock this morning, and we're not expecting a whole lot to happen today. We're going to have some partly sunny skies. Temperatures going to be in the mid-80s, like I mentioned a few moments ago. Going to be a very warm day. We'll feel like May and June out there for this afternoon. You can see by late this afternoon, early evening hours, got a few showers trying to pop up in western Kentucky, but, not expecting anything to get over here into our part of the world. All right, there's 8 o'clock tonight. You can see still just some scattered showers in western Kentucky. And let's go all the way to midnight. You can see maybe some light sprinkles over here in the Lake Cumberland region, but like I say, we're not expecting much for tonight and into the early morning hours on Wednesday. All right, there's, let's get you to about 10 o'clock Wednesday morning. You could see we could have a few showers and storms. Look at that. A little line of showers and storms tries to fire up tomorrow morning around Paducah. Another little cluster around Bowling Green and Louisville. We'll have to see what happens with those. That will not be the main system. And you can see as we go throughout the day Wednesday, look at these, just, these little clusters of showers and storms try to move into the region. By 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, you can start to see a squall line begin to form and develop. And that's going to be the main event for us here in the Lake Cumberland region and most of Kentucky. So there's 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Look at that squall line knocking on the door of Adair County and also Russell County. By 8 o'clock, we do expect that squall line to be in here in our part of the our part of Kentucky. And by 11 o'clock tomorrow, again, starts to move out of the region. Look at that. Some more showers and storms to our south. That gets into here by midnight. And then, we'll have shower chances sticking around after that main line goes through. But the big-time severe weather threat, that will be with that squall line coming up Wednesday afternoon, evening, and maybe Wednesday night as well. So again, let's pull up the risks real quick. And this is the day 2 outlook for tomorrow, Wednesday. Like I said, most of Kentucky in that level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather. Of course, we're going to be keeping a close watch on that, and we'll keep you up to date with the very latest on the weather. And we will update things as more information comes in. Folks, you all have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you back here coming up tomorrow morning.